Hello my dear children, welcome to learning class. Today I am here with your subject English. Yes, and today what we will do? Let's see. We will do reading. So we are not going to write any new alphabet, okay? We will learn the sounds of the alphabet. So today we will learn the sound of new alphabets. But before that what we have to do? Yes, we will say the alphabet, capital and small, okay? Now you must be knowing small letters also, right? So let's say capital A, small a. A says A. Capital B, small b. B says ba. Capital C, small c. C says ka. Capital D, small d. D says da. Capital E, small e. E says A or E. Two sounds are there. Capital F, small f. F says fa. Capital G, small g. G says ga. Come on, you all have to repeat with me, okay? You have to say with me. Now you must be knowing because we are revising it again and again. So you must be knowing now, right? Capital H, small h. H says ha. Capital I, small I. I says E and I says I. Two sounds are there. Capital J, small j. J says ja. Capital K, small k. K says ka. Capital L, small l. L says la. Capital M, small m. M says ma. Capital N, small n. N says na. After N, which letter comes? Yes, O. Capital O, small o. O says O. Capital P, small p. P says pa. Capital Q, small q. Q says qua. Capital R, small r. R says ra. Capital S, small s. S says sa. Capital T, small t. T says ta. Capital U, small u. U says u. And U says a. Okay, two sounds are there. Capital V, small v. V says va. Capital W, small w. W says wa. Capital X, small x. X says xa. Capital Y, small y. Y says ya. And last one, capital Z, small z. Z says za. So these are the capital and small alphabets. So remember all the letters and along with that sounds. Now let's start revision of previous letters that we have learned. Okay, which one is this? Yes, this is letter O. O for orange. O for ostrich. O for octopus. So orange, ostrich and octopus. So what is the sound of O? This is capital O, small o. O says O. O says O. Now next one is, tell me which alphabet is this? C. Capital C. C for cat. C for cap. C for cake. Yummy, yummy cake. Cat, cap, a cake. From which letter it starts? C. And what is the sound of C? Ka. This is capital C, small c. Now you have to say C says ka. C says ka. Next one is P. P for parrot. P for pigeon. P for pencil. Pigeon, pencil, parrot. It starts with letter P. And what is the sound of P? Pa. This is capital P, small p. P says pa. P says pa. Now let's start our today's new sounds. Okay. First one is R. Now first we will see the pictures related to letter R. R for rabbit. Yes. R for rabbit. R for rose. You can see a beautiful rose. R for rose. R for ring. Okay. R for ring. This is capital R, small r. Capital R, small r. Now what is the sound of R? R says R. R says R. Now next alphabet is, yes, kite. So which letter must be here? K. K for kite. K for king. K for, see, kettle. K for kettle. So this is capital K, small k. K says ka. K says ka. What is the sound of K? Ka. Next one is B. B for ball. B for ball. B for boy. B for butterfly. So what is the sound of B? Ba. This is capital B, small b. So we will say B says ba. B says ba. So children, today we have revised the previous letters and their sounds, and also the new letters and their sounds. So learn all the alphabets and their sounds, and also remember the pictures related to the sound. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.